Okay guys, welcome to the DC Frenchman Show here tonight. We're over here at the Potomac River here in Washington DC, but I'm here at the Harbor Patrol. The guys that's going to rescue those guys that's in the water. God bless their souls. But yes, we're gonna take a look at what's gonna go on here tonight. I tried to get as close as I could for y'all to the action over there where it happened at, but this is the DC Harbor Patrol here down at the wharf here in Washington DC, guys. And I was trying to get some information out of one of the officers that I see go in there, one of the Marines or the Navy or whatever they are. This is their home office though. I'm gonna show y'all a little something here. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, tonight a plane crashed into a Black Hawk helicopter tonight, an Army helicopter. And I don't know how many people survived. I'll look at it a little later and let you know of something what's going on. But this is what we got here, guys. We got the rescue squad geared to go out. And they're gonna go and try and help these people. They're loaded all up. I'm not in their way either, guys. You think I'm in their way. I am not in their way. They're not even in the truck yet. I guess they're in there getting their assignments. But these are the vehicles that's headed over there to assist in pulling those people out of the water. This is what we got tonight. I'm here down at the wharf at the Patrol Harbor Center. So maybe they'll get on their P's and Q's and get in their trucks and go and do what they have to do. But this is what we got, guys. I wish I could speak to somebody. I'm gonna go down the pier a little bit and let you all see where this happened at. Let's go back this way that I came. Yeah, those guys need to get on their P's and Q's and get those trucks on out of here and get on over here in the boats and stuff. Yeah, I jumped on the scooter. It was quicker to get here on the scooter. Stay here close to the wharf, but let's see what has happened there, guys. Okay, yeah. That will be over there, guys. Couldn't ride over there. I'm gonna have to go over there in the morning for you guys. Yes, it's where you see those lights that they crashed in the water over there. I have to go all the way around one part of DC to get over there. It's two spots for real, because I see another section over there that's glowing up in that corner right there. For you, it'll be right there. Right there. And I'm sure you see that gleaming off of the water over there. It's water boats going in, rescue boats. I see that blue one headed towards them. I see a lot of ripples in the water, guys. I don't know if you could see it as good as me, but I see ripple in the water. The water is really, let's go. I see, sounds like I hear those guys ready to go over here to the rescue. Let's go see what's going on, guys. Yeah, this is the Harbor Patrol here. This is the guys that's going to the rescue here. CSU-6. I have to do my investigation. I'm sure that's rescue. It's not over yet, is it, guys? It's still going on, right?
Oh, yeah.
There you go, guys. We have the rescue squad here that's helping the people. It was a passenger plane. I think I heard them say like a 80-seat passenger plane runs into a Black Hawk helicopter, Army helicopter. But this is the squad. This is some of the people. They got all night because I don't know how they're going to go over there in that cold water. I really feel for those people too, guys. I really feel for those people. Yeah, I'm gonna get a little closer. Let's go back over here and see if we can see what's going on again, guys. Yeah, but Washington D.C. is in turmoil tonight, guys. We had a plane accident over in the Potomac River. A 80-passenger plane collides with a black Apache, is all I keep hearing, helicopter. I'm gonna ride down to the end of the pier, guys, for you all, and see maybe possibly, I gotta get more cameras and get a little bit more donations and we'll be able to see a little bit clearer. But yeah, tonight we had a terrible accident here in Washington, D.C. A 80-passenger plane collides into a black Apache helicopter, from what I'm hearing. We don't know how many survivors survived. Yeah, we're getting a little closer, guys. Tomorrow morning, though, you stay tuned with me tomorrow morning, and I will be showing you, if I can get over there close as I can and they let me, what the outcome of this is. Wow. Concrete messed up over here, guys. You got to excuse me. Go down here to the end. Yeah. If I'm not mistaken, a black Apache helicopter ran into a 80-passenger plane over here where you see them lights blinking at you. I wish I had a freaking boat or something I could get over there and see what's happening. Let me try and get behind the light, guys, so you can see what's going on. But yes, we're here, as I told you, with the DC Frenchman Show here in Washington, D.C. We're off the Potomac River. And I got the closest spot I can get y'all to tonight until tomorrow, possibly, if you'll bear with me. Sorry about the clarity of my phone. But right over there, guys, didn't cross that Potomac there. Shit, I should have went to the Haynes Point. Damn, I should have went to Haynes Point, guys. Yeah, if I had went, I did go down by the Washington Monument, which is there, and went around, but I got cold. So I said, I'm gonna have to come this way. I would have had to ride all the way back around, all the way back to the base. I didn't feel like doing it. So I brought you guys as close as I could for right now. Maybe tomorrow, if it's warm, I'll be over there and I'll see what's going on. Yep, guys, this is what's going on though tonight. It's really calm out here, right? As I told y'all, I used to drive the Spirit of Washington. I used to drive the Odyssey boat. Those boats you see over there, used to be the driver of those. I got up 3 stripes and then no more. Yeah. But as I told you, that's the harbor there. That's the Harbor Patrol is over there to the right. The police station and the Harbor Patrol, they get ready to leave out. They just came in. I just gave you the interview with those rescue guys on the boat down there. Sounds like some helicopter coming in now, guys. Listen up. Yeah, where you see red on the water, it's really red on the water over there if we was there. Yep, guys. Live from the DC Frenchman Show. The tragedy we had at 9 o'clock today. 80-passenger plane collides with a black Apache helicopter across the Potomac River. I'm over here at waterfront looking over on the opposite side. Tragic, guys. Tragic. We'll find out tomorrow how many people died, how many people were saved. Two spots. Wow, that's a lot going on over there. A lot going on over there, guys. Sorry I don't have the proper cameras. You see the 3 planes in the air over top of it though? I mean helicopters. Guess they're search helicopters. That's what I'm guessing that is. Tragic, guys. Real tragic. Just imagine all those people. Rest in peace. May they rest in peace. Hope they got there fast enough to rescue someone. There in the center of the screen, one hit is in the water over there, and the other is in the water over there in the center of the screen. 2 separate vehicles collides into each other. Yeah, they're over there rescuing now, guys. I apologize about the quality of my film here, my video, but it'll get better once my YouTube channel blows up. Like, share, and subscribe to the DC Frenchman Show. $ DC Frenchman is my cash app. Your #1 YouTube channel here in Washington, DC for live breaking news. That car is going down Haynes Point. They probably got it where you can't even go down Haynes Point and look. I don't know. You tried to go to Haynes Point and see what was going on?
No, I haven't.
You didn't try to go over there?
No.
I bet if we was over there at Haynes Point on that other, you know what, the other side of Haynes Point,
Yeah.
we'll see everything.
Right.
All right, guys, I'm not gonna stay on, I guess, too long because it's nothing you can see, but you are seeing it live though at the actual time that I took it, which you'll be seeing it in the morning. But I'm gonna edit it tonight and post it tonight, so you were seeing it at the actual time that it happened, not tomorrow. As you see, the search helicopters is over the top of the scene of the crime, which is two places. Over there, well, not crime, the scene of the accident, and there. All right, guys, live from the Potomac here in Washington, D.C. You all have a nice evening, and I do this for you all. Sorry I had to come to you all with such bad news like this here, but wow, man. I guess this is what happened in life. I still want to ride back down there and go see if the rescue squad, the water squad, because these are the people who are rescuing them. These people, the Army, the police department, and Coast Guard, Marines, and all those type of people, if you ask me. But it's happening just across the Potomac over there, guys. That's where the collision was. And they're over there rescuing those people right now. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in to the DC Frenchman Show on YouTube. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends. $DC Frenchman. I'm out.